The next 24 hours are going to be crucial for Bitcoin because Bitcoin is right now looking to be breaking out after this assassination attempt on Donald Trump. So we need to be talking about that exactly, about this Bitcoin CME gap that we are currently forming, about this massive breakout which we are right now seeing, and much more in today's update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, right now Bitcoin is pumping heavily during the course of a weekend. And of course, we are getting massive breakouts right now towards the upside, breaking this structure towards the upside, but more importantly, breaking this downtrend towards the upside, and because of that, breaking this falling wedge structure as well towards the upside. And this is of course due to this massive catalyst that we got this night. There was an assassination attempt on Donald Trump, which he has survived, and because of this, well, the chances of him actually getting elected have greatly increased. And we do know that in the last few weeks, Donald Trump kind of leaned in towards more kind of the bullish side of Bitcoin. So because of this increase of the chances of him actually being elected, well, Bitcoin saw a huge bump right after. But at the time of the event, Bitcoin actually saw a little bit of a dump because there was a lot of uncertainty. Now, right after of that uncertainty has actually cleared up, we saw an insane pump back towards the upside. But anyways, what is going to be happening next? That is going to be very important because yes, Bitcoin right now has been pumping during the course of a weekend because of a huge news event. And yes, usually whenever Bitcoin creates these type of big CME gaps, well, it tends to actually get filled right after at the beginning of next week. But of course, this is going to be a little bit of a different situation because at this current moment, we are also getting massive breakouts right now towards the upside. So what do I think? Is this CME gap still going to be getting filled, or are we just going to be blasting off towards the upside? Well, to be honest, my Bitcoin trade and my entry is just perfect again. I've just bought the exact Bitcoin bottom and I'm not worried at all of what is about to happen next. In my opinion, if we are going to be filling up this CME gap back down below us, that is going to be perfectly fine. At that moment, if we were to be doing that, I just think we are going to be seeing a perfect retest of this breakout right over here. And that is going to be very good for the Bitcoin price. In general, just the price action. But at the same time as well, we do know that Bitcoin tends to fill up 99% of these CME gaps, and we can just leave this one open and just blast off towards the upside right now. There's always going to be that 1% chance. Anyways, for me, in the short term, I do not really care what is going to be happening in the short term. Yes, I do think there is going to be a pretty good chance of us actually filling up that gap. Because yes, statistically, it is going to be very likely. But also just having a look into the Bitcoin charts, well, it is just looking very bullish. And this news event that we did get is just not to be underestimated. So what I am going to be having a look in towards is going to be this level of resistance, okay? If Bitcoin can be breaking above this level over here, well then definitely I do not think we are going to be returning towards, filling up our CME gap. But if we are going to be getting a rejection from of this level we are currently trading at, well then of course I do think that we are going to be filling up that CME gap and then ultimately head higher. So either way, it doesn't matter. I do think that still we are going to be headed higher. But right now, in that short term, I think that Bitcoin is just at a crucial decision point. Okay, if we are going to be breaking back in towards this territory, back in towards this consolidation range over here, definitely that is going to be extremely bullish, and I do not think we are going to be coming back towards filling that CME gap. So yes, this is going to be a crucial next 24 hours. Anyways guys, yes, the Bitcoin charts are just looking very bullish right now, with this bullish divergence right now playing out, or at least starting to play out, right? We just have a long way to go still towards the upside. Bitcoin history is exactly repeating. Yeah, we are trying to be breaking back above previous support, right now turning in towards resistance, right? But we are trying to be breaking back above it, as well as these EMA ribbons. We've been trading down below it, just like we did over here. But if we can be getting back above this level over here, definitely I think that history once again is about to repeat, and we are about to see a massive move towards the upside getting created. Now, anyways, we are just invalidating this double top structure, looking very good. We just need to be seeing this daily close above. If we are going to be confirming that daily close above, well, this double top structure is going to be getting invalidated. So yeah, the Bitcoin charts are starting to look very good in my opinion at this current moment. Our Bitcoin trade is playing out like perfectly like we have been predicting. Once again, I have been telling you this so many times. I've been buying the Bitcoin bottom over here. I've been buying the Bitcoin bottom right over here, opened my long positions, and also right over here. I've been catching these exact bottoms, and right now, once again, I've done the same exact thing. I've been telling you this straight up. My entries tend to be very perfect, but just my exits, I need to be improving a little bit more on my exits. Anyways, I've warned you so many times that this was about to be the Bitcoin bottom. That is exactly the reason why I've been opening up my Bitcoin trade. Even at the point of opening up my trade and recording my video, well, it was even in a little bit of a loss on that day. So yeah, showing everything transparent. I don't know, I do not see many other YouTubers doing the same thing as I'm currently doing on my channel. I'm just showing in real time what I'm seeing in the charts and what I'm currently doing in the charts as well. Anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, definitely make sure to be checking out that link down below, because over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming this $40,000 deposit bonus. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, make sure to be checking out these other two links down below, because you can be trading then over here as well. Now, anyways, yes, if Bitcoin is going to be seeing this massive bounce from of these current levels, well, yes, we are going to be creating this bull flag pattern with a breakout target sitting at the 100k level for Bitcoin. That is going to be insane. Anyways, if we are going to be seeing this further bounce for Bitcoin, yes, this is going to be looking very good. This is just going to be a liquidity grab right over here. Down below this level of support, we need to be closing back above this level over here. That is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Anyways, yes, Ethereum is bouncing a little bit more towards the upside right now. Still, I do think that Ethereum is looking very good. Still trading inside of this downtrend, right? Bitcoin has already been breaking above this downtrend. Anyways, with the Ethereum spot ETF coming up, I do think that Ethereum is about to see an even bigger bounce than Bitcoin is seeing right now. So maybe potentially in the future, I'm about to open up a big Ethereum position as well. Usually I'm only trading Bitcoin, but maybe in the future, I will be opening an Ethereum trade as well. So stay tuned for that exactly. Anyways, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.